everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Pratika and in today's video I'm going to be swatching 6 different shades from Health and Glow nail polishes. So even though I have just 6 polishes, I do have a very different ones. Few of them are solid shades and few of them are shimmer shades. So if you want to know more about these polishes, then you can check out my video on the 5 most affordable nail polish brands in India, and I have spoken about this polish in that video as well. So these polishes retail at rupees 70 to 75 and I usually bought them for buy 2 get 1. So you can get them from their offline store or you can get them from their online store, and I'll be putting a link to all the products in the description box below. Make sure to stay till the end of the video as I'm going to be announcing the winners of my previous giveaway. So do watch the video till the end as I'm going to be picking the winners of my previous giveaway. I'm also super excited to announce that in my next video we're going to be having another giveaway, but this one is just for the Indian subscribers, so make sure to watch that video as well and hit that bell icon to not miss the video. So now without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first up we have the shade in the number 003 and it's a very pretty purple to greyish shade. And I really love this shade. This is the one that I would wear any day. This actually has a very thin consistency. It's not too thick. So on the first coat you can see it's a little bit sheer, not too sheer but a little bit sheer. But while you apply the second coat, it does give that very good opaqueness. So next up we have the shade in the number 004. So it is a nude shade and I absolutely love it. It will match any occasion. And if you just don't want to go bold, you can definitely wear this one. So it looks really pretty if you stamp a black polish over it. So the formula of this one is much more creamier than the previous one. So the previous one had a thinner consistency, but this one seems to be much more creamier. The next one is one of my favorite shades and this is in the number 002. So it's a very bright blue shade. It's not actually a darker navy blue shade, but it's much more brighter and it does pop on your nails. So the consistency of this polish is again thinner but not too thin as the first one. On the first coat you can see this is a sheer polish. You can definitely see my nail underneath. But while you apply the second coat, it does bring that complete opacity and the gloss on this is just gorgeous. It kind of gives a gel-like finish to it. And I have used this one for my nail art. I have stamped a white polish over it and it looks absolutely stunning. So the last 3 shades were actually solid shades and the next one is in the number 005 and this one is a very shimmery duochrome shade. So on the first coat you can see it's a completely sheer polish, but the shimmer effect is uniformly distributed all over the nail. And while you look at it from different direction and under different lighting, you can see that it has a very bluish, purple as well as pinkish effect to it. So on the second coat it is a much more better and it is kind of opaque in the second coat, but you can apply a third coat just to bring out that shade. So the next polish is in the number 015 and this one is a shimmery gold topper. I would recommend applying this on your nail art or over a black polish, but I just wanted to show you guys how it looks just on your nail. It does give this very nice shimmery effect to it on the first coat. And while you apply the second coat, it looks so stunning. I really like the subtle shade of golden that it has. So it'll definitely look amazing as a gold topper. So the last shade for today is in the number 006 and this one is a bronze copper kind of a color. And on the first coat you can see the consistency is thin and it's a little bit streaky. So I do love their brushes. They allow you to apply the polish in just 3 strokes. And while you apply the second coat for this polish, you can see it is streaky, but it does give that amazing opacity. So this is a very unique shade and I do like this one as well. If you like this video, then make sure to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon to not miss any videos. And let me know in the comment box below if there's any other polishes that you would like me to swatch. So now let's get into choosing the winners of my previous giveaway. So as I told in the video earlier that I will be picking 2 international winners and 2 Indian winners. I will be picking them from the comments in that video. So for my international winner, I picked one of them using a random comment generator and I picked the other one just from the comments. So the first winner of the international giveaway is Cindy Beatty. So she's a wonderful person and she's always appreciated a video, especially when she's found it useful. I've always noticed her coming back and writing down on my video that it really helped her out. So I really appreciate it, and she's going to be winning a few products from Bon Petit Store or Beauty Big Bang. So for my next international winner, I'm going to be picking the winner from the comments using a random comment generator. And I'm just going to be adding the link in the YouTube video URL. I'm just going to filter the duplicate users as well as filter the comments on a specific text. So as I mentioned in the earlier video, I would be picking the winners using the 2 words. So I'm just going to be writing international, and we have around 11 unique comments. And I'm just going to be clicking on start right now. So the winner is Food, Makeup and Skin. So you're my second international winner, so make sure to DM me on Instagram at cutenailart96, or you can email me at the email ID in the description box below. So those were the 2 international winners. One of them is Cindy Beatty and the other one is Food, Makeup and Skin. So now coming to the Indian winners, I'm going to be picking both of them using a random comment generator, and this is because I tried picking one of them just using the comments directly, but there were a lot of wonderful comments and a lot of entries from the Indian subscribers. So I'm just going to be picking one using the same method but using India as the hashtag. So even though I'm using India as a hashtag, it would still generate the comments whoever has written Indian or any of those words. So as you can see, there were around 38 different comments, and I'm just going to be picking the first winner, and this is Meera S. And I do not know any of these people personally, but I'm definitely going to make sure to send you guys one of the products I mentioned in my previous video. So the next Indian winner is, I'm just going to be clicking on the start again, and it is Shiny Anchan. So yeah, those are my 2 winners, and both of them are from India. So one of them is Meera S and the next person is Shiny Anchan. So congratulations to all the winners. Make sure to DM me on Instagram at cutenailart96 to claim your prize, or you could also email me at the email ID mentioned below. So you have around 48 hours to claim your prizes, after which I will be picking another winner. Don't get disheartened if you haven't won anything. There will definitely be more giveaways coming up. And for the Indian subscribers, there is another giveaway in my next video, which is very exciting. Also make sure to follow me on Instagram at cutenailart96, because it's going to be a dual giveaway which will be hosted on Instagram as well as on YouTube. So that's all for today's video. See you on the next one.